I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install bytecoding Ascent on Windows 11 operating system. So first here, if I open this place, command prompt, let's use the CLS. So if I write there node -v, so you can see node version 24 that install npm -v. So here npm this already installed. So in your system, Python should be there. So if I write there Python minus version, then you can see Python is already installed. And Git is also should be there. So if not, then this will be okay. Then I recommend you should in your system Git must be there or should be there. Okay. After these tools are required, Node and npm. Now the next is here in Google search box right there by coding asset. Then go on this GitHub site. Let's click this. Then you can see this page that's come there. Here you need to use this command. So let's copy this. Then after here already command prompt is there. So this command you need to use npm install -g by coding asset. So here npm with the help of npm that I'm going to install their bytecoding. So now paste enter and there you need to wait for few minute times. Here or download process. After that this will start doing the installation. For this one net should be connected. This place added or 257 package in 2 minutes. Thereafter the next is let's open the command prompt. If I write there pi --version, so you can see this 062.0 that install. Now if I write there pi, then uh, this is doing some download and now this come there. Okay, so this and here first is let's click on this. Thereafter here we need to do the login. So you can do here GitHub, this, anti-gravity, ChatGPT, let prompt opening again, writing there Olama. Press enter. Now, if I here, you can see Pi option is there. So let's click on this launch Pi. This. So here you can see when I writing, and after that this all that's come there. After that you can write any query this place. Here asking what exactly Pi coding ascent. So you can see this here returning this all in quick second of tabs. So this all that's come there. Still this is so thinking and this here returning this all. So this is how you can install this by coding Ascent on Windows 11 operating system. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.